This is Tim Willis, an armed audience copy OBS and built-in laptop microphone. This is another video for the Nomad Funnel Hacker. We're looking at a site called Higher Visibility, and it's an SEO-oriented site. It has some free tools that we're able to use. And if you know anything about me, you know I like free tools, because some of these analysis tools with things like SEO can be quite pricey. So if we look here, we can click on free SEO tools. And we have several here, but there's one in particular I want to look at, and that's Keworddit. The thing about Keywordit is it's a Reddit keyword research tool. And that's interesting because most research tools are targeted towards Google. But there's a lot of activity on Reddit and a lot of posts, so this is a good way to find out what people are talking about. Now, I'm not a big user of Reddit myself, but we can use this tool to find some things out. So let's go ahead and look at what we have. We have a very simple interface, and so we just need to start typing the name of a subreddit. Here we got dogs, and we can only pick one subject at a time. So let's go dogs. Then we just click on view keywords. And then we have a whole list of keywords. There's search volume by month and context. And you can also export this as a CSV. In this case, it's a fairly long list. Now, if we choose something else, like marketing, well, we get a couple of choices here, but we'll go ahead and view the keywords. And we have a pretty good list of keywords when we do that. And again, you can export this as a CSV. So really, all the results you're going to get is going to depend on how well you know the name of the subreddits group. So with me, I'm not that familiar with most of the names, and so I'm just putting in general terms. If you put in more specific terms, like the specific name of a subreddit group, you're probably going to get more targeted results. Anyway, I thought this was an interesting little tool, given that most of these keyword tools seem to target Google search and not Reddit. They have a couple of other tools as well. They may be interest, we have a bulk keyword generator, and then some Google rank checkers, SEO website checkers. I haven't looked at any of the other ones. I was just interested in this Keywordit tool. So that's going to be the video for now. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, because we are all rearranging deck tiers on the RSM algorithm. Other than that, my name is Tim Willis, and I will talk to you in the next video.